Okay. Well, hello YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. And I'm coming to you with a unboxing, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you hit the bell if you want to be notified of all my latest videos. And again, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Yeah. Well, hello YouTube. I am back with another video. I am getting ready to head out and go to a, just saw my husband sit down, Zumba party. And thought I'd go ahead and do this quick unboxing with you guys. So, long story short, I tried eBay again. Anyway, so I tried eBay again, you guys, and oh no, we're gonna see. So I actually ordered this a few days ago and it came really quick. I am still waiting on another item that I ordered from eBay weeks ago that hasn't come yet, but this one was FedEx, so it came quick. So anyway, let's see if I'm going to be sad or happy. So I got this bag for a really good price. It was already listed at a good price, and then I asked, can I get it a whole lot less than what she had it listed for? And I think she was offended, but then we kind of met in the middle. So let's see. Oh, I mean, I hate when you unbox it, take forever. Ah! So there's one other thing on eBay that I want really bad, but I'm spent out, and I don't think my hubby gonna get it for me. So I'm like, Mother's Day is how many months from now? I'm trying to come up with a holiday. But this bag is really cute. So anyway, so I was actually looking for, oh Lord, my bestie was looking for a bag, and then I showed her this one. She was like, girl, if you don't get that bag, you is, let me get it. And I was like, nah, I think I'm gonna get it. So this was, oh my God. We may have to speed this up, because this is, oh, geez Louise. Okay, so it's looking okay. When I tell you, this lady wrapped this bag like she was gonna get $1 million for the most efficient bag wrapping. Oh Lord Jesus. I mean, really, if y'all can see the amount. Dramatic. So here it is, you guys. Oh Lord, and then I still I'm sorry, I'm looking anyway. Okay. And then if I make a mistake, let me put these scissors down. If I make a mistake and mess this bag up myself. Okay. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking okay. I'm pleasantly surprised. I don't smell anything, you know, when you order from eBay and it's in another country, usually it smells like it was in Katrina or Irma or whatever. So anyway, let me show you guys what it is. I am pleasantly surprised. Oh my God. Okay, I love it. Where is the date code at though? Am I even showing y'all the bag? Okay, so this is what it is. This is a Chanel vintage chocolate bar tote bag. Very, very cute. It's just a little bag you put on your, your little arm bag. Real cute. Y'all see that? I thought it was cream, but it's coming off a little bit yellow, which is actually good because I wanted a yellow bag. And it is in good condition. So, as long as this bag is real, which I gotta do my research. I think it is though. It's looking real. Oh yeah, it comes with the card, even though this don't mean nothing, y'all. So yeah, so this is from the, I know it's from the chocolate bar collection. And it's very cute. Y'all like that? I do. I don't know if hubby like it, but. So yep, you just carry it like that. It's a little smaller than I thought. I don't think these is the measurements were right. But it's very, very cute tote. Yeah, it does have a hint of cigarette smoke, but listen, as long as it don't smell like mold, I can get rid of other smells. So yes, I am pleasantly surprised with this one. See if I can work on hubby get me this other bag that I want. I doubt it, because I've been shopping like crazy, y'all, so I doubt it. But, you know, we'll see. So anyway, I'll be doing a Chanel video, you know, on my Chanel handbag. So this is a cute little stand up. So it's cute, you know, put it on your shoulder. Just a cute little, you know, kind of old school, new school. But it's in really good condition. So I would say I got a good deal on this one. I'm happy. eBay has restored my, I don't want to say faith, but yeah. So that's it. Chanel unboxing. I don't know I know this is a chocolate bar, but I don't know exactly what it's called other than the chocolate bar. I don't know if it's in here. But yeah. So that's it. All right. On to the next video. Love you guys. Bye.